Hello scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a new layout for my Stashbash Take 10 series. So today I am going to be using sketch number, I think this is 21, I can't remember. I will have a picture though that you will have seen, and this is from Christy's Beautiful Life's 30 Days of Sketches. So for this one, I had these 4 photos from our family reunion back in 2017, and this does go towards my 100 days project. I think this is day number 58. Project 58. So I'm super excited. I'm plugging along. I know the series is over now, but you know what? I'm still going strong, and I am going to finish. I think what my goal is going to be is I'm going to finish all of my 2017 album up to August. By the end of August is what my goal is going to be, because I don't think I'm going to finish all of 2017. I'm coming to that realization very slowly here. Anyway, I am just matting these 2 photos on let's see, what type of paper was that? It was a pattern paper and it was a notebook paper. That's what it was. So I'm just kind of trying to fix this mat because it wasn't long enough, and so I had to like totally jimmy rig it to work. So it works out in the end, and this one I had a lot of fun with. I am going to use a lot of scrap pieces of paper and a few of the ephemera pieces that I have in this month's kit. Okay, so I pulled out this piece of, it's a light blue pattern paper with triangles on it, and that's actually from the Fancy Free collection. That wasn't in my summer kit, but I thought the color went along perfectly with my summer kit, and I needed an extra paper. So I added this one onto this layout, and it's going to work perfect. I'm going to cut down that diagonal stripe paper, and I'm going to start gluing everything down. I think I'm not going to start gluing everything down. I'm going to add a couple more layers, a couple more pieces, and then I'm going to ink the edges of all of my my papers with some Lagoon Close to My Heart ink. I found this Amy Tangerine camera that I thought was so stinking cute, and I'm going to add it right there where you see it now. I am going to glue it down to a piece of paper and fussy cut it out, because I don't really like it being see-through. I really liked this Sweet Summer Memories little phrase, and so I'm going to add that to the layout, and here's where I'm going to glue down that camera and cut around it. Now I'm going to bring in this sticker sheet and start putting some fun phrases around the layout. I've noticed that I really love doing this. I love using phrase stickers and adding them as little embellishment pieces. Now I am inking the edges of all of the pattern papers, and then I'm going to start gluing everything down. And as I'm sitting here, I'm realizing that I really didn't have a title. I guess you could say that phrase Sweet Summer Memories is the title, but I'm kind of thinking after I get done with this voiceover, I might want to add to the title, and I will show you what it looks like at the end. I'll take photos of it. So I think I'm going to add love these right on that picture of Jonas standing at that railing. I think I'll add an alpha there. So here you can see I'm just gluing everything down. And I really, really love how this layout turned out. It's a lot different than the sketch, but that's what's so fun about using sketches, is you can use it as a starting off point and then just make it into whatever you want, whatever it turns out to be. So this Sweet Summer Memories phrase I'm going to pop up on some fun foam, and I really like how that turns out with that. So I'm going to glue that right there under that photo of Jonas. And then I'm going to start embellishing this little cluster up here. I have the circle that says "You make my heart smile," and then the arrow says "Best summer ever," and then that pretty green tag. I think I'm just going to put the date on there. Then I'm going to make another embellishment cluster above that photo that's on the left. That's my sister and her baby. This was from 2017, so that baby is now 2 years old, which is just kind of like, what? All of our kids are growing up so fast. It's just so sad. I mean, it's fun, but it's sad at the same time. Okay, so now I'm pulling out some acrylic pieces and some brads, and I decide to actually pull some enamel shapes from my stash because I decide I don't want to use the brads that were in the kit, which is fine. I'm okay with that. So I'm going to start gluing down all of these pieces, and I am almost done with this layout. So I think I am going to put you on with some music. I'm just going to have some music for you guys to listen to while you finish watching me glue everything down, and then I will have the photos at the end. So if you would rather fast forward to the end, just fast forward to like 8 minutes-ish, around there. And I will see you guys again next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!